Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about the passive daily pay blueprint, and I thought I would do a video to answer all the questions all at once, just to save some time. So I will just dive right in. What is it exactly that I sell? What is it that you would be selling? So basically, there are two digital products that I currently sell. One is the passive daily pay blueprint, and the other is the Launchpad to Profit. And I purchased the $300 program, so I have master resell rights for life of these products and the respective products that fall under it. And the passive daily pay blueprint allows you to earn daily pay from two income streams. So the $300 income stream and the $100 income stream. So what do you get? The Launchpad is the $100 program. And for that, you'll learn how to set up your social media, you learn how to post free ads that convert, and you'll learn how to turn your followers into customers. In addition, there's some bonuses and there's a community, which I'll talk about in a little bit. And then for the passive daily pay blueprint, that one is $300. So you get everything in the Launchpad, plus you will get a course or training on how to find your ideal customer, how to master storytelling so that you can sell your products, build a strong brand identity for yourself, and then get discovered and attract customers. And I found a lot of value in this section in particular because attraction marketing is a way where you can just be yourself and tell your story, and the people who resonate with you will be attracted to you, and they come to you, and you're attracting rather than selling and chasing. On top of those courses, you will get a free automated system, which I can't even believe, and I can't even tell you how valuable this is. So this is the back-end funnel that will collect the emails for you, sell the program for you, tell people about the program, and follow up about the program automatically. So you don't have to follow up with people, you don't have to chase them down, and the system does that for you. You also get free mentoring from my mentor, Michele, and she's a big reason why I joined the program. So in these days, like, nobody does mentoring for free, nobody. Like, back in 2018, when I was 7 years into the digital marketing journey, I paid $10,000 for business coaching. And I paid $297 a month for the software, the automated back-end system. And I did that for 6 months and I got nothing from it, right? So let me tell you, to get a millionaire mentoring you for free, for the price of one program, whether you pay $100 or $300, is insane, right? And she has her own business to run, but every day she's in the community, she's answering questions, providing support, she is doing weekly webinars, and giving daily action steps to people so that they can be successful. Absolutely incredible. And you know, one of the big reasons I joined was because of Michele. Like, I could feel her energy and her sincerity in the videos, and I just knew that she wanted everyone to succeed. And the people that spoke about her told you and me that it's a family, and I could feel the sense of family in the communities that she built. And so getting mentoring from Michele is a big part of the program. You also get a daily planner. So as I mentioned, there's daily action steps, right? So you just show up, watch the short couple-minute videos, and that's your action step for the day, and you go and you do that, right? So as long as you're coachable, as long as you show up every single day, as long as you're focused and you take action, this is a global business, right? You can do it from anywhere. I'm in Mexico, right? So as long as you have Wi-Fi, as long as you have, your laptop or your cell phone, you can do this. It's wonderful. And then the community, right? So I've been around in digital marketing for 13 years. I have paid tons of money for tons of programs. I paid probably more than I paid to get my doctorate in pharmacy in digital marketing courses and building my skill sets. And sometimes programs came with communities, but oftentimes they weren't communities, right? They didn't provide the support you needed. People weren't really in there answering questions. So that's not cool, right? Because some people are not very techy, right? And some people don't have a lot of confidence, and they need support. And so in this community, like 6-figure earners are in there answering questions. Like, I posted a question and within minutes I got an answer. And you can just really feel the sense that in this 20,000 member community, everyone wants you to win. It's just so amazing, right? The support is incredible. There's weekly tech calls to help you with your troubleshooting your tech. There is weekly mentoring calls, and then daily action steps. Community is amazing. And the program, the digital growth community by itself, if you bought it on its own, is $47 a month. But if when you buy the Launchpad or the Passive Daily Blueprint, that community is included for free. So absolutely incredible. What else, right? So there's bonuses on top of that. Like you get a Canva crash course. So if you don't know how to use Canva to create beautiful images and pre-built templates for your social media content, you have a crash course to teach you how to do that. There's 200 digital product ideas. So, this is a blueprint to sell products, to teach people how to do digital marketing. In the future, when you want to launch other businesses and you've learned the skill sets to be successful in online, then you have these ideas, these product ideas that you can create yourself to promote your own products. And then mastering mindset, mastering your messaging, and mastering your marketing. Like that's so important to get your mindset right in order to get your message across so that it attracts your ideal customer. So mastering those pieces. And then if you don't want to have your face in front of the camera and you don't want to market yourself, you don't want to brand yourself, there's a course to teach you how to build an invisible faceless empire. So faceless marketing, right? That's a thing, and you can learn to do that if that's what you want to do for your business. So like all of this for $100 for the Launchpad or $300 for the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. Absolutely incredible, right? Incredible value. I can't even tell you. If this program was available in 2018, I would have saved myself $10,000 in business coaching and $297 a month for 6 months. What's that, like $1,800? And I would have been much further along than I am today. But it is what it is. So why does it work, right? The ads are proven, right? They have been proven to work, and so you're getting copy and paste ads that you just need to input into these high traffic websites to attract the customers to your business. So just focus on your income producing activities for 2 hours a day, and then more if you have time. So I do more, like I do my 2 hours in the morning, and then throughout the day I do 10 minutes here, 30 minutes here, wherever I have time. And you have a strong support network, right? You don't have to create any products yourself. You get master resale rights to Michele's courses that you can sell and make money right away. You get 100% commission of these products that you sell. So unlike affiliate marketing, where you get 50%, 30%, 40%, you get 100% of these courses, right? There's no monthly recurring fees. Incredible. So for this automated system, I won't name any names, but if you want me to name names, just shoot me an email or a message and I will tell you. There are products out there on the market right now where you're gonna pay $297 a month to use their automated funnel, to send out emails, to collect emails, and to deliver your content, right? So, and to track your statistics. So this system you get free as a part of the course, as a part of the program, the blueprint that you purchase. I can't even, right? And everything is laid out step by step. Like literally play the video, pause the video, do what the video told you to do, press play again, rinse and repeat. And you will succeed just by doing it step by step by step that way. It's so simple. Like it's so simple that grandmothers, like complete newbies, stay-at-home moms, are successful by following the blueprint. And then if you're experienced, if you have any experience whatsoever in digital marketing, that will just immensely scale what you're already doing. I've seen people who've got 10 years in digital marketing experience blow up and do like $40,000 in 2 months. Insane, right? So even if you're a newbie, you will be successful. If you have experience, you'll be even more successful. So everything I've shared with you so far are the reasons why I joined, but there's like 2 additional reasons. And I mentioned one already, and it's Michele. When I watch her on the videos, I could feel her energy. And I could feel how genuine she is, and I could feel how much she wanted you to win, me to win, everyone who wants to be a part of this to win, right? Like she is doing this as well, and she's dedicating her time to help you succeed as well. And I could feel the energy, and like, to me nowadays, energy speaks volumes. So, but big reason. And then the other is it's helped me become a better marketer for my other businesses. So, promoting the real estate that we're selling, and we've gotten so many people messaging us, and out of the blue, people want to invest with us, right? Because of their excitement to see what we're doing. So this attraction marketing is working because we're getting money given to us without asking for it. People want to invest with us. And so I've gotten better at my other businesses as a result of doing this blueprint. What is it not? Okay, let me be clear. This is not an MLM. Back when I was a teenager, my dad was scammed into doing Herbalife. And somebody, he answered a newspaper ad, his upline, ordered thousands of dollars worth of product to our home to fill or meet her monthly volume quota, and then we never heard from her again. So we had these products sitting in our house, in our basement for years. Definitely have been burned by MLM before, definitely don't like MLMs, and this is not an MLM, right? So you're not required to recruit people or build a team. You don't make commission from what the people you sell, what they sell. Like, you are in business for yourself. The products that you sell, you earn money from, and you get 100% commission from. However, you're not in business by yourself because you have this 20,000 strong and growing community behind you to support you. And I'm not here to scam my friends or my family. Many of you I've known for years. I've known from high school, I've known from college, I've known from, business events. I'm not here to scam my friends and network. No, and my face is out there, right? And so, but if you're here to learn valuable digital marketing skills that and build an online business promoting digital products and utilize these skills to better your life and build a life for yourself that you dreamed of, and then utilize these skills for the other businesses that you want to create or that you have currently, this is for you, right? This is it. So, with this said, this is an opportunity that will help you escape your 9-to-5, that will help solve your financial problems, that will give you your time back, that will allow you to travel and really live that life that you've been dreaming of. And you don't have to trade in your time for dollars anymore. So I hope you found value in what I've shared today. I hope that you consider joining me on this amazing journey. I hope you take the opportunity to change your life with this passive daily pay blueprint. Nothing changes unless you change, and you have to take action, right? I cannot do that for you. You have to make the decision to join, and you have to show up every single day and do the work. But when you do, you will see massive changes in your life. And I really hope to see you on the inside the community, and following along with this journey with me. It's going to be a great ride, and thank you so much for listening. Take care.